So what I'm going to do in this case is to put the straight grain, the selvage, here. This is the selvage. This is a straight grain right here. So which means that now this is the bias. So I'm draping this dress on the bias. Let's get started. Okay, I'm going to start by pinning my muslin on the shoulder. Put a couple of pins on the shoulder. I'm going to come across the bust here to the side seam. And I'm going to place a couple of pins in the center front just to keep it straight. If I want this to be somewhat slim, I'm going to create my side seam. And I'm going to start getting rid of any excess muslin that I don't need. And if I want this to be fitted here, chances are I'm going to have a little dart right in here. So I'm just going to pinch that for now. And eventually this will become a dart. And I'm going to start pinning my side seam. The same thing on this side. I'm going to pin my side seam. Get rid of all this extra muslin that's only going to get in the way. And mark your center front because when we take this muslin, this drape off the form onto paper, we want to take your center front, fold it so that the side seams are the same.